Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add printer laptop. To start, when you connect a modern printer to your PC, it will be added automatically without you having to take any action. From the search box, enter printers. Click on printers and scanners to check this. Here, click on search for drivers so you can see how you can download the latest drivers. Open the printer to access its various options. However, it may not be added automatically. In this case, from printers and scanners, click on Add Device. After a moment, click Add a new device manually. First, check the box. My printer is a little older. Help me find it. Click Next, and you will wait for the system to search for the printer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. Now check the box, select a shared printer by name. In this case, you must enter the printer path so that when you click Next, it will only search that path. Another option to use is to activate the box, add a printer using an IP address or host name. By clicking Next, choose the device type and complete the fields. The system will be in charge of searching for this printer. After that, check the box, add a Bluetooth, wireless, or network discoverable printer. Click Next to search for the printer in the coverage range. Finally, check the box. Add a local printer or network with manual settings. When you click Next, you will select the port to use. Afterwards, you will wait for the list of printer manufacturers and models to be loaded. When it is loaded, select your printer model. Click Next to set the name. Now wait for the printer to be installed. When this process is finished, you can share the printer or not. Now you see that the printer has been installed correctly on the laptop. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.